Today discuss about lemon juice. Lemon juice is mostly commonly used by naturopathy followers. We suggest squeezing lemon on the curry and in the juices. We also suggest adding it in snack and other recipes. Lemon juice is added to many rice dishes such as lemon rice. When you squeeze the lemon is juice, some lemon seeds may mix up with dishes along with juice. You usually throw away the seeds while cooking. Unintentional, some seeds may mix up in lemon rice on curry. Sometimes when you chew the lemon seeds while eating, you tend to spit it out as it tasty bitter. You must be thinking that it is not good for health as it is bitter. From now on, if you find lemon seeds while eating, do not spit them out, chew and swallow them instead. Otherwise, eat at least 4 to 5 lemon seeds daily separately. Eating them, if you find them in your food too, but they must be chewed finally and them to be broken down and digested properly. Sometimes you swallow lemon seeds with lemon honey water while fasting. Lemon seed does not break down in the stomach if swallowed whole, as its outer layer is hard. It is extracted in the faces and you get no benefits. Sometimes we deliberately avoid lemon seeds from the food. Today, let us look at the benefits of eating them. I am going to discuss the scientifically proven benefits of consuming lemon seeds directly or eat powder. They have proven many health benefits of lemon seeds extract. They found enormous benefits from it even when taken in small amounts. Lemon seeds contain flavonoids, saponins, tannins, and alkaloids. They are rich in all of these, therefore, consuming lemon seeds or its powder is very helpful, especially for liver health. Enzymes required for detoxification in the liver are superoxide dismutase SOD and catalase. The chemical compound I mentioned earlier in lemon seeds increase the production of these enzymes as liver receives all of these enzymes. It effectively performs detoxification. So lemon seeds have been shown to aid in the detoxification of the liver. Another important benefits of lemon seeds is we do a liver function test during a blood test. It consists of tests such as SGOT and SGPT. SGOT and SGPT levels in the blood below 30 is good for health. If they increase to more than 35, it indicates damage to the liver cells. Damage to liver cells occurs in people who drink too much alcohol or have a fatty liver, and even in people who eat more of junk fast food, oil food, and deep fried food. In such people, the liver hardens and does not carry chemical filtration. It can lead to cirrhosis and many liver cancers. All of these diseases increases SGOT and SGPT levels in the blood. What causes their levels in the blood to rise? Liver cells contain cytoplasm. In fact, every cell in the body has a cytoplasm. It is a cellular fluid. When liver cells are damaged, the SGOT and SGPT in the cytoplasm fluid comes out of the cell. They mix up with the blood, hence their levels rise in the blood. Prolonged increase in SGPT and SGOT levels can lead to many liver diseases. The indicates that your liver is slowing down detoxification. Therefore, rise in their levels is not good sign. If you take lemon seeds directly or its powder as it extract, the important benefits is that the levels of SGOT and SGPT drops drastically. Many of you may panic if their levels appear to be elevated in liver tests. It is best to take lemon seeds or its powder to bring their levels to normal. So take a spoonful and lemon seeds powder by adding mixing some honey. You can also chew and eat the lemon seeds you found in the blood. Studies and rats have shown that it has side effects and provide benefits to the liver by reducing the levels of SGPT and SGOT in the blood. It is enough to take a little as it has powerful properties. It is an antioxidant, so it supports the body in the detoxification process. The excess fat in the food we eat first enters the liver. Lemon seeds add lipid peroxidation in the liver, so they prevent the growth of triglycerides and free fatty acids in the blood. This fact has also been scientifically proven. Lemon seeds also contain high amounts of salicylic acid. Salicylic acid has been shown to help reduce pain in the body. So consumption of small amounts of lemon seeds reduces pain body. Lemon seeds contain four powerful antioxidants: epiglycocatechin, caffeic acid, aspartame, and quercetin. Lemon seeds helps in detoxification as they contain these four antioxidants. Lemon seeds helps in detoxification as they contain these four antioxidants. So it is better to powder and lemon seeds without throwing them away and take a little bit of powder. It can help people with liver damage due to alcohol intake and those with elevated SGPT and SGOP levels, and also for those suffering from cirrhosis and fatty liver. Therefore, all of them should take lemon powder mixed with honey daily. I also suggested them to chew and eat 3 to 4 lemon seeds. Thank you for watching. I will be back next video.